Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials: government ID, SSN or ITIN, current address, income details, and your phone. Once done, pick the exact Visa card you want by comparing APRA, annual fee, rewards, and any intro 0% offers so you know why you pick it. Open the issuer's secure application page on a private network and create or log into your account. This ensures your progress saves, and you can return if interrupted. You now fill the application carefully. Type your legal name, date of birth, SSN or ITIN, and current contact details. Next, provide employment status, employer name, annual income, and monthly housing payment so the issuer can assess capacity to repay. If requested, upload clear photos of your ID or proof of address. Make sure images are well lit and legible. Once entered, review every field for typos, correct any mistakes. Then submit to move to verification and decision. You finish by reviewing the summary, providing an e-signature, and accepting the card terms. Only then submit the application. After submission, monitor your email or the issuer dashboard for instant decision or further verification requests. If approved, note delivery time and activate card when it arrives. If your application is declined, check for errors you can fix, review credit utilization and recent inquiries, and call the issuer's support line.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.